Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Txswap token. Ticker symbol is TXT. Now this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting tomorrow, December 23rd. We're going to go over the information on the TXT token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt and always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, it was just announced that this token will be listed tomorrow, December 23rd, exactly 10 o'clock UTC time on a very big central exchange called Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search TXT, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So this token is on the Binance Smart Chain. Now, according to their BSC scan here, they have 152 holders so far, so a very brand new project. 18 decimal places on this token, and there is a max total supply of 10 million tokens. Now, their webpage is txswap.xyz. Over there, it looks like you can try a demo version of their swap. So, I don't know if the full alpha version is available as of yet, or it's just in the early stages, but they do have information about the products, features, info, demo, etc. Now they have some socials as well. As always, I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen over there. It is at TX_swap. Has a link to their webpage there on the Twitter, so you guys can easily find that. It says Txswap matches trades using batch auctions from various on-chain liquidity sources, mirroring the process utilized by KCEX. 10,600 followers. And then they have, 252 tweets so far. They also have a Telegram you could check out at Txswap group that has 3,688 members on there. And then they have a full white paper, a document section that you can check out at txswap.gitbook.io. So, Txswap matches trades. Now, trades can be settled either directly through underlying on-chain automated market makers or via decentralized exchange aggregators, all depending on which pool or path provides the most optimal price. So, Dodo Swap is very similar to that, if you've ever tried that before. Txswap effectively acts as a DEX aggregator of DEX aggregators. Moreover, before identifying the best price for trade from the available on-chain liquidity, Txswap first searches for a coincidence of wants within the existing batch to provide an even more competitive price than any given pool can offer. So Txswap is fully permissionless trading protocol that utilizes batch auctions as its price discovery mechanism. The protocol maximizes liquidity by utilizing the coincidence of needs and taps into all available on-chain liquidity when necessary. Batch auctions are run continuously by the protocol. Solvers, the parties responsible for identifying the most optimal settlement for the batch, compete to settle it. The winning solver is the one that can maximize trader surplus either by having the most optimal needs, finding the best liquidity sources, or combining both in a single settlement. Transactions are settlements that share liquidity across all orders with matching limit prices. Txswap uses batch auctions, not AMMs or CLOBs, as a core mechanism to facilitate Txswap. This use of batch auctions result in better prices for individual traders, as well as significant savings in terms of gas fee optimization and liquidity provider fees. Moreover, due to the uniform clearing prices of batch auctions and the fact that they do not require access to on-chain liquidity, Txswap can offer users a degree of MEV protection that is unmatched by other protocols. Instead of relying on a central operator or a constant function market maker that determines trade settlements, Txswap employs an entity known as the solver. The party is responsible for providing the settlement solution for batch auctions. Solvers compete against each other to submit the most optimal batch settlement solution. Whenever the solver submits a successful batch settlement solution, the protocol rewards them with tokens. This means that the protocol incentivizes solvers to solve the batch auction optimization problem. Anyone can become a solver, although there are certain requirements to do so. And you can read all about the requirements on their document section. Now there's a whole section here where you can learn also about the trading cycles and how they work. They have a whole section on batch auctions if you want to learn how those work, the coincidence of needs, signed orders, and transaction hooks. Now let's skip down here to the roadmap here. So it is basically in giant paragraphs this roadmap here. So I suggest you just read the roadmap on your own. It is very extensive, a little too extensive to go over in this video. That is not usually the way roadmaps are. Roadmaps are usually in point form, and they're like, we're going to do this, 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 this. This is like, phase one is like a paragraph this big. So yeah, let's not go over that right now. But you get the idea of what Txswap is. So the TXT token is the governance token of the Txswap ecosystem, and it owns many qualities. In phase one, we issue 10 million tokens. Token holders can stake TXT tokens, and there is allocation on here. It says how the token metrics are allocated. 5% of the tokens go to airdrop, 50% go to mining, 5% IDO, 15% angel and seed, 10% team, 15% treasury. It says we will review the tokenomics again before the beta and mainnet go live. So yeah, check this all out, txswap.gitbook.io. That's where you can review all the info. Check out their socials, and check this token out on Mexc Global as of tomorrow. And like I said, if you don't have an Mexc Global account, check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And yeah, leave a comment down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.